Okay, so I just did a really cool 30-minute video. Now I'm gonna do a really short one here for the people with a lesser attention span. But no, I'm just like having a little mukbang that I was talking about in the last video, how I eat the seeds. I don't spit the seeds out. The seeds are medicine, okay? And the seeds help balance out the sugar. And the seeds are anti-parasitic, antifungal, and antibacterial and anti-parasite. And if you are eating all the kind of, because we've been eating a lot of the processed food, and now they're trying to put out articles, ultra processed food is not as bad for you as we thought. Oh yes, it is. You want real, whole, natural, plain, simple foods delivered to you by Mother Nature, okay? And everyone has a different belief in what that is, but you want whole, natural, simple foods. Now me, I love fruits, okay? And I love the herbs too. But I love the fruit. And this has a lot of seeds in it. And that's a really good sign, okay? And that's why I got these honey tangerines and I had all this other food. So if you didn't see that other video, go and check it out. I don't even know what it's titled, but it was the one before this one. And it was 30 minutes long, and I went on a rant and a raving about what's up with my life, what's up with the channel, what's up with the DTM. So today's video is about, hey, eat your fresh, whole, natural, plain, simple foods. Get a good night's sleep. Nobody exercises enough. I'm telling you, man, we used to walk 8, 10, 12 hours a day. Now we sit on our ass and think, oh, I get 45 minutes of walking in twice a week, and I wonder why I'm not losing weight. We got to get out there and we got to get vigorous. So go outside and play. Ride your bike. Go hiking. Walking is the best. Put a little weight on your back. Build up your legs. Hit the gym. Go kayaking. Hit a yoga class. Can you dig it? Stay fit. Stay healthy. Stay strong. You know what I mean? Take good care of yourself. You got to love yourself. You got to take care of yourself. This is the temple. Your body is the temple of the Spirit, and your spirit is the temple of God. And you want to be the best you can be. You want to rise up into your potential, because that would be the best thing that would make you the most satisfied. And that's the best thing you could do for all of society. Instead of trying to fix the world outside, you fix the world inside. Because when you clean yourself up, the whole world changes. Your perception of the world changes. Like, oh, it's not broken. Everyone's like, oh, it's the end of the world and climate change and this is falling apart and that's falling apart. And from the right perspective, you're like, none of that's true. It's not real at all. The sky has been falling for forever. And as soon as you get more of a clear perspective about more of an eternal consciousness through the various means, proper diet, meditation, fasting, spirituality, prayer, belief, faith, devotion, your mind will get clear and it'll be like, oh, okay, so there's nothing I need to worry about except just getting this one squared away. So you clean up the inside of this one physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. It's quite a journey. Never give up. Be persistent. Keep coming back. 2 steps forward, 1 step back, but just keep getting up. When you fall down and you snap back, you just get back up and you keep going. And yes, as you get older, sometimes it takes a little more to get remotivated and stuff. But you get up and you keep pressing ahead, because your evolution is the greatest thing that you can do for yourself and this world. You know what I'm saying? The world isn't broken. Just get yourself dialed in, and what that, as within, so without. So whatever's going on inside of you is what the way you'll see the world going on outside of you. So let's get cleaned up, purified, regenerated, clarified, illuminated, and devoted to the most high truth that we're capable of comprehending. And then one day we'll even go beyond comprehension. We'll go beyond the intellect. We'll go into the divine intelligence itself, and we'll learn the art of surrender. And then we'll be like, this is cool. We're flowing, we're chilling, we're eternal beings. Let's just enjoy this life and everything about it. Can you dig it? DTM is out. All right. Peace be with you. God bless you. Love you. Thanks for the thumbs up and the comment.